I want to walk through the full journey from the point where someone purchases from you and then goes into begin the program. Here I am on the sales page here, sort of my mock-up. And then this call to action, of course, would go to the checkout page. So click here and they'd land on the checkout page, and that's located under sales and offers. And come up here to edit checkout. And this is what it'll look like. This is their preview here. This is the checkout page. They'd enter payment information. And then once they click purchase, they would either go to the thank you page or they would go to the library, depending on how you have it set up. So we're here under the offer area. If you roll down, it says right here where they're going next. So they're going to an existing landing page, which could be a thank you page of some sort, or it could be that you have them going straight to the library to access the course right away. It's up to you which of those two. I personally prefer the landing page and have them go to some sort of thank you page that you created. So they land here on the checkout, enter payment information, then they would go to the thank you page. Thank you page would say, now go check your email because the login information is there. Inside that email is a link to login, which is located here under login. It looks like this. And of course, you have it all fixed up with your logo and all that. Once they enter email password, they will actually be landing on the library here. And the library is where all the programs you have are located, and they will only see the programs they purchased. So they'll log in and see the program, then they can click on that, and that's when they get into the course to access it.